Hey there, guys. How's it going? What we're going to be talking about today is Irish Spring, the original deodorant soap. Yeah, I am particular about Irish Spring soap because I've been using it for so long. I have been using Irish Spring ever since I think I was probably about 10 years old. I remember back when I first would see these commercials on TV for Irish Spring, and there was this Irish guy, and he was out in a forest, kind of like the forest setting, like a cabin or something near a creek, and he's sitting there with his hunting knife, and he slices a big slice of Irish Spring. Like he kind of not cuts it in half, but slices it so you can see it in the center and see all the swirls and everything around the middle of it. I thought something about that was so cool. I thought, oh gosh, I want to try some of that soap. And when I did try it, I really liked the smell. And I've liked it ever since, and I've used it religiously almost ever since. Irish Spring has been very, very big necessity to my existence, I'll say, if I'm not exaggerating. Yeah, it's really, really a good soap, and the smell is really, really kind of attractive to me. It always has been. I've used Irish Spring, even the body wash. It's good. The soap itself, it has these really nice swirls in it. I don't know if you can see it that well on the camera, but it has these really nice swirls in there, and it's just part of the appeal of the Irish Spring soap. And like I said in the commercial, the guy would cut like a slice out of the side here, and you can see the deep swirls in there. And it was very, very important to me to actually try this. And I did, and it was really, really, really good experience. I liked it a lot. And this is the original formula. There's probably different, versions of Irish Spring now, but when it was originally out, and I'm true to the original, I've always liked to use this in the shower and just washing my hands by the sink. It's a very good soap, and I buy it by the pack of 6, I believe it is, and it's really good. I've used it for a long time. My grandfather actually had some once before I ever used it, and he actually told me that this was the best soap, and but I hadn't seen the commercial or anything for it yet. But he had it at his house, and I wanted to use some of it, but he was telling me that, it's the best soap, but it's only for special people. He would tell me that. I was like, oh, okay. That was probably part of the appeal to me when I first saw the commercial. And I guess it was like, oh man, I guess it is special after I saw the Irish guy on TV, and coupled with my grandfather's little story about it, I was probably enticed to use it, after that. So, I don't know. And in my opinion, it all came together. All the planets lined up when I finally used it, and it was done. I was hooked. Yeah, I really like this soap. It's really good. It lasts a while too. I mean, it doesn't like shrivel up and dissipate like instantly like some soaps do. It makes a really good, nice lather. It's not an overbearing smell to where you're like feel like you need to take another shower from your shower because the soap is just so strong. It's just enough, and it gives you that nice fresh smell, and it's really good. It really does clean well also. It lathers really good to get all over your body, and it gets the dirt and everything off really nicely, and you smell really good afterwards. It's very good. I recommend it just for about anybody could use this, even women. In my opinion, it's just really that good. I like it a lot. But to me, it has to be the original scent, the original one. Yeah, because I'm just true to that. All right. Well, I hope you guys use this information. This is the Irish Spring original deodorant soap. Okay. All right, guys. Well, I will see you next time. I hope you use this information. Okay. Bye-bye.